The purpose was clearly there's some rumors that is going on which is not true. So we just have to declare how it is and then to just brush it away. This thing, one is about a particular media, having it that we the supporters, we boycott not to support Ghana in the second match, Ghana against Egypt. So we are coming to Ghana, and then when we started the allegation, then the ministry gave us $400, which is not true. The ministry from day one, they were communicating with us. They even give us chop money from the beginning, from the meeting point where we met at the Accra Sports Stadium. And then also the following day, after getting our rooms, they came to give us $400 each. So we don't know where comes this news. And then one man supporter, we hear yesterday he did a press conference that we came here without informing him. We didn't give him slot, blah blah blah. But one man supporter made a press conference about 2 months ago that is no more part of us. And if you can even remember or even notice, our last 2 matches played at Accra Sports Stadium and then Kumasi Sports Stadium. That matches, one man supporter always, you see him, he always move away from us. They are always downward and then we are at the top. So we told so many people to speak to him. He refused.
Final question. Can you state emphatically that you are okay and everybody you brought here is fine, being taken care of by the ministry, by the government?
Yes, we are okay over here. Everybody is okay. You can be asking them. We are okay.